Welcome back to Rock and Rattle Retreat. Okay, this is going to be kind of a short one in regards to how I sharpen the chainsaw in between major sharpening. Mark the tooth. I'm going to use a Dremel with a 7/32 grinder bit. They come specifically for sharpening chainsaws. Now this is just a light sharpening to refresh it, because you don't want to really grind on these things too hard. They will overheat and then your temper's gone. So I do one side, and then I go back and I do the other side. That's why I mark that one tooth, so I know where I started and I can stop. Now once that's done, I check the rakers. There's different raker tools for it. I got this one, and you see if they're sticking up in that little groove there. And if they are, you file them down. And if you do it often enough, it doesn't take much filing. That way it keeps them all the same height. And of course you do that after you've sharpened the teeth. And you can do all the rakers all at once. You don't have to do one side and the other side. Now don't forget to grease your bar tip. There's a little hole in it to do that. And then you fill it back up with gas and oil, and away you go. This will keep it from going off to the side. So it keeps those rakers the same height all the way through it, so they're all taking the same amount of chips out. So that's all I got for this time. Nice little short one. Quick retune of the sharpening of the chainsaw. So I will catch you guys later. Stay tuned. We got some new stuff coming up. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. It all helps the algorithm for YouTube.